Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of verifying your X account using your email. Verifying your email helps secure your account and ensures you can recover it if needed. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Launch the X app on your Android device. First, open the X app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to get started. Step 2. Tap your profile icon. Next, locate your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Tap on Settings and Support. Then tap Settings and Privacy. In the menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings and Support. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to enter your account settings. Step 4. Select Your Account. Now, look for the option labeled Your Account and tap on it. This will lead you to various settings related to your account. Step 5. Tap Account Information. In this section, find and select Account Information. Here, you can manage your email and other important details. Step 6. Add or update email. If you need to add a new email address or update your existing one, enter your email address in the provided field and tap Save. This is an essential step for the verification process. Step 7. Check your email. Now it's time to head to your email inbox. Open it and look for a verification email from X. This email is crucial for confirming your account. Step 8. Verify your email. Finally, open the verification email and click on the link inside. This will confirm your email address and complete the verification process. And that's it. You've successfully verified your X account using your email. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.